Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to create weapon animation. You can see that weapon has some animation and fire mode. So how to create it? You need open your weapon base to create events for shooting events, for shoot, for this plugin, Easy Bullet system. For physical based shooting, and it looks very realistic. So for start shoot, I have shoot trigger. When I shoot trigger, I have start shoot animation for my trigger. So and for stop shoot the same, I have stop shoot animation. Then weapon shoot animation for shooting. For fire mode, I have fire mode and fire mode animation. So how to do this animation, how to do fire mode, how to do shooting, how to do reloading, I want to show you so on. By the way, I show you how to create animation for this tutorial. So uh, then you need to open your any blueprint, how to create any blueprint. You can find in other tutorials. So you need to create mesh space first, then transform modify, then uh, if it must be rotated like stock, I have stock for my animation, for one of my animation. You uh, click here to uh, hidden other pins, and uh, when we have only rotation pin, you click and uh, I need to show it. Click on rotation pin and split pin to pitch for stock or as well. So for trigger we have yeah, for bolt we have X, but transition by why is translation? Because we don't need to rotate it, we need to move it back for when start shooting. So the same with rotation, but for rotation we need to rotation mode. Replace existing for rotation space, bone space. For translation we need the same with rotation, bone space, and replace exist, but in translation mode and translation space. So we need to create variable for bolt, for trigger, for fire mode, then open event graph. Call set function bolt and call create inter2 for smoothing this animation because it looks like tan. We need smooth movement to back and to forward. So uh, first pin current we need to set in this pin, and return value you need to put here to input. Okay, for target we need to create another value, bolt 0. It's for your coordination, for coordinate of your movement or rotation, and then delta time to delta time also. So it's interrupt speed. We need set some speed here. I have 30 here, for FireMod I have 4, for trigger I have 10, for stock I have 4. So, save it and, sorry, compile this function. Then you need to set your turtle mask, and anim class, you need to put your animation blueprint here. Then you call event, like event animation. So we have some animation events. Click here to call it. Okay, then for next video with shooting, I explain how it's work. So we have FireMod animation from blueprint, but we don't have it when we set blueprint here. How to create this variable? You need to take your mesh, take an instance, get an instance from this mesh, and then call cast to your weapon name animation of blueprint. Then create variable, and you have this. So then you call from your anim blueprint float with your coordinates. It's float coordinates of your animation. It is here, and setting up this. It's for ball movement. Go back and then go forward. After delay, after 005, then for start shooting, I have trigger coordinate when we stop shooting, it's moved back. Okay, and for FireMod the same thing. So that's all. See you guys.